Hello Alpha, it's Kenyon from Realan Computer. Now I will show the general outlook of our case EW-80S, which you inquired. At first, I will show the effect of its surface, which you most concern. And it is with the same effect with the picture on the web page. It is very smooth because we handle the surface with a thin abrasive blasting craft mat. Okay, let's take a general look of its whole case. Let's start from the top cover. Here is the top cover. Then front panel. Front side, there is a slot, which is the entrance for the slim optical drive, and there is also a button here, a power button. Okay, take a close look. Now to it's the side panel, left side, with the vents for the cooling, and there are two USB ports for connecting the extra device. Okay, here is the rear panel. On the rear panel, here, this is a direct current input port, and there are two holes for the Wi-Fi antenna, and three ports for the RS-232 cable, and there is a usual rectangle port, for the motherboard rail baffle. Here there is also another hole, which help us to open the top cover easily. Okay, turn to the right side of the case. Also with the vents for the cooling sake. Okay, now let's take a look of the bottom. On the bottom, we also make some vents for the cooling effect, better cooling effect. Besides, we also put the hard disk and power LED light here to avoid the light pollution when we use the device. Besides, in order to make this product more refined and high-end, we also put 4 food stand, which is good look, and also could have the function of anti-shock, because they are sponge at the bottom of the food stand. Okay, now let's take a look of internal structure. Okay, I'll take the top cover, use this hole I just mentioned, in this case. With the help of this hole, I could easily remove the top cover. Now I'll put it away. After we remove the top cover, what we saw is we can see at first is a bracket which is used to fix the optical drive and hard disk. Okay, I will also take it off and show it to you so we can learn more details about it. In order to take it easily, so I did not screw it just now. I just take it. This bracket is also made of consists two parts, the upper part and the lower part. And here there is a space which is for the optical drive. At the bottom, there are also some screw holes which is used to fix a piece of 2.5-inch hard disk. At the side of the bracket, we could also have fixed a piece of fan to extract the heat from inside of the case. Okay, that's all about this bracket. Okay, I'll show it to you. Take a good look. Okay, now I'll put it away. After we remove the bracket, what I can say is the inside of the case. Here is a DC cable in the front of the case. It's a piece of DC module which used to connect it to the motherboard. And there is also have a cable. It's the cable of the power button, power LED, and power switch. As for this cable is the USB cable, which used to connect the motherboard and those two external USB ports. And at the bottom, there are also 4 screw sockets. This one, this one, and this one are used to fix the motherboard. I just mentioned the power module. This power module weighs another piece of AC adapter, then make up the power supply for this case. What I said is all the details about this product. So if you still got any queries or questions, we could talk about it and discuss on the Skype, by video chat or by typing. Okay, power adapter. You could also take a close look. take a close look of the general outlook. Side panel, front panel, left side, bottom. Okay, that's all.